Hello friends, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Hello friends, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Mwiriwe nshuti, murakaza nanone kuri YouTube channel. We are going to learn communications. We are going to learn communications. Tugiye kwiga uko twagezanyaho ikiganiro, itumanaho, mbese tukumvikana mu rurimi. Before the time, it's not the time. After the time, it's not the time. Before the time, it's not time. After the time, it's not time. Mbere y'igihe si igihe na nyuma y'igihe si igihe. Hello? Hello? Mwiriwe? Mwiriwe? Hello? How are you? Hello? How are you? Mwiriwe? Muri bande? Mwiriwe? Muri bande? My name is Kabera. My name is Kabera. Izina ryanjye ni Kabera. Izina ryanjye ni Kabera. Why do you call me this moment? Why do you call me this moment? Kubera iki umpamagaye uyu mwanya? Kubera iki umpamagaye uyu mwanya? I have problem. I have problem. Mfite ikibazo. Mfite ikibazo. What is problem do you have? What is problem do you have? Ufite ikibazo ki? Ufite ikibazo ki? My uncle is perished. My uncle is died. Malume yapfuye. Malume yapfuye. I'm not hearing you. I'm not hearing you. Sinkumva. Sinkumva. From where don't you understand? From where don't you understand? Nihe utari kumva? Nihe utari kumva? What does it mean? What does it mean? Bishatse kuvuga iki? Bisobanuye iki? Bisobanuye iki? It's true what I told you. It's true what I told you. Ibyo nakubwiye nibyo. Ibyo nakubwiye nibyo. Is it true for? Ese yaba ari impamo? Ese yaba ari... Nothing much. Nothing much. I will meet you. Nothing much. I will meet you. Nta n'ibirenze. Nta n'ibirenze. Cyangwa se nta byinshi. Nta byinshi. I will meet you. Tuzabonana. Tuzabonana. I will not miss out that weekend. You will not miss out that weekend. Ntuzaburemwa kiriya cyumweru. Ntuzaburemwa kiriya cyumweru. Don't be patient, brother. Don't be patient, brother. Ntugire impungenge muvandi. Ntugire impungenge muvandi. Sure, I can believe you. Sure, I can believe you. Nibyo? Nshobora kubyizera. Nshobora kubyizera. I will not lie to you. I will not lie to you. Sinzakubeshya. Sinzakubeshya. True speaking, what will you bring? True speaking, what will you bring? Uvugishije ukuri n'icyo uzazana. Uvugishije ukuri n'icyo uzazana. Frankly speaking, I will bring you. Frankly speaking, I will bring you shoe. Mvugishije ukuri nzakuzanira inkweto. Mvugishije ukuri nzakuzanira inkweto. I'm happy for you. I'm happy for you. Ndishimye ku bwawe. Ndishimye ku bwawe. All right. I promise. All right. I promise. Ni byiza rwose ndabigusezeranije. Ni byiza rwose ndabigusezeranije. If God wishes, I will meet you. If God wishes, I will meet you. Imana nibishaka nzabonana nawe. Imana nibishaka nzabonana nawe. You must approach God. God will approach you. You must approach God. God will approach you. Ugomba kwegera Imana. Imana nayo izakwegera. God does not hate people. God does not hate people. Imana niyanga abayo. Imana niyanga abayo. By blow, by brother. Murabeho muvandi. By to. Murabeho namwe. Believe me. Believe me. Nyizera. Nyizera. Let me come. Let me come. Let me come. Lekanze. 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 I'm going to see someone. Sorry. I'm going to see someone. Sorry. Ngiye kureba umuntu mwihangane. Ngiye kureba umuntu mwihangane. Why do you running like the wind? Why do you running like the wind? Why do you running like the wind? Kuki wirukanga nk'umuyaga? Kuki wirukanga nk'umuyaga? Brother. Brother is not good. Muvandi si byiza. Ntabwo ari byiza. Ntabwo ari byiza. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? Niki cyakubayeho? Niki cyakubayeho? Brother, I'm sad. Brother, I'm sad. Muvandi, ndababaye. Muvandi, ndababaye. I lost one of our family. Some people die. Muryango wacu habuzemwo umuntu. Muryango wacu habuzemwo umuntu. Twapfushije umuntu. I lost one of our family. Sorry to hear that. We are standing behind you. Sorry to hear that. We are standing behind you. mwihangane biragoye kubyumva, mwihangane biragoye kubyumva, tubari inyuma. Let me help you. Let me help you ticket. Let me help you ticket. Reka nkufashe itike. Reka nkufashe itike. Reka nkufashe amafaranga y'urugendo. Here it is. Here it is. I wish him to rest in peace. I wish him to rest in peace. Mwakire, mwifurije iruhuko ridashira. Mwakire, mwifurije iruhuko ridashira. Mwifurije kuruhukira mu mahoro. Mwifurije kuruhukira mu mahoro. Iyo tubuze umuntu cyangwa se twamufurije tuvuga RIP. Thank you very much. Murakoze cyane. Murakoze cyane.